Oh!
Oh my god!
What'd he hit?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Call 911.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta pause. We gotta pause real quick. What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here. We're going to be watching this motorcycle crash compilation from MotoStars. Great job by MotoStars, by the way, so make sure you guys subscribe to him. But let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go. Adapted.
He realized what could be the result.
That's his name.
Aggressive.
So lane filtering, very aggressive. We have high vis on ourselves. With that person in front. Oh! That was on purpose. Get his license plate. Move on. His emergency. But what are we going to do? We're going to rescue this rider just in case. We're going to make sure that they're okay. Okay, we're gone. Kawasaki Z1000 crashed. Around a blind turn. We got a low side issue. If you guys don't know what a low side is, that is what a low side is. Lost some traction. Hopefully not too much damage to the body, but that bike looks like it's not having a good day. Typically what happens though when you low side and you start sliding into these guardrails, you're gonna get split in half or break some bones. So thankfully he's got full gear. So I will give him the Smart Rider acquire and utilize part, but maybe not the maintaining part. So in the middle of the ride, I had a deer. Oh, can't do much about deer. Oh, good job with the progressive. Oh, I hit plan, so we're just gonna let that go. But progressive brake pressure was really good. We'll use it later. All right, so YZF R1 and BMW S1000RR. All right, cornering. Looks like a pretty good group ride. Not going super fast. And now we're starting to pick up speed because we're having a little bit of fun. So what's happening here? So we got some brakes going on. Oh, lost some traction. That's that rear tire slide. Is it going to be a high side? Almost a high side. Oh, what are we going to do? Hey, it regained traction because motorcycles want to stay upright. All gyroscopic forces and whatnot. Loss of rear tire traction. What do you guys think? Maybe doing a little bit of this in the middle of a turn. Gave it a little too much. Go ahead and check your pantalones. Maybe got a little bit of brown in that. You see it leaking. You see it leaking.
These riders found out how dangerous mess.
Going a little too fast. 100.
This speed.
No. Going a little too fast. I think he got launched off the bike almost on that crest of the hill. You got a turn coming up. See how he was up? You got a turn coming up too, by the way. Not very smart. Not very good. Martin Motovlog. Having a good time. You know. Oh! Once again, are we going to rescue that rider? Hey, we're going too quick, MotoStars. Slow it down. Okay, so bad driver. What's going on? We have side of the vehicle? No, we just have an uncommon thing in a common situation. Good escape path. He swerved out of the way. He planned his ride really well, located it, and then navigated. It wasn't an adaptation. Do we have side of the vehicle coming up? No. There it is. We got a front of the vehicle. Uncommon thing. Great job. Hey, we're starting to see some good smart riders. Maybe we are having an effect on all these people.
Here we have a situation where
so we're in a car.
there's a serious accident and
brake lights. Watch out, merge issues, because once again, our lane is open. Oh!
Oh my god!
What'd he hit?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Call 911.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta pause. We gotta pause real quick. I'm sorry, I said I wouldn't pause. I want you guys to see this. You don't see this a lot. Okay, so we're gonna hit something. What are we hitting? I don't know what he hit, but here's the thing. There's the moment of impact. We're gonna talk about mechanism injury real quick. His head impacted the ground. Very high speed. Not very good. So this right here. So this is what it typically looks like when you start to have a real bad brain injury. Anybody here in EMS? Anybody here in EMS? This is called posturing. So when you have a spinal cord, especially the brain stem, an injury to the brain, anything like that, you're gonna posture. So it's like, and you're tight. Your body is like flexed. Now it's called posturing. Not very good. Happens with stroke victims. So there's different kinds. I'm not gonna go into that. So he did get hit by this vehicle. So this is not good at all. But you're gonna see his arm stick up. Now he's not holding his arm up. He is completely unconscious.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You see how he's clenching?
Okay.
Call 911.
Okay.
That right there is the posturing. He's doing this. His brain is having a seizure right now because of the concussion was that bad. This is a traumatic brain injury. Traumatic brain injury is very, very bad, especially this one. You can get a concussion. You can just get hit in the head with a baseball or whatever it is, and you have that headache. You can even shake your head around right now and kind of get yourself a tiny headache. Now, imagine doing that. and how painful that would be. So he is completely unconscious, not good, got ran over too. Not these drivers' faults. But here's the thing. If you have yourself the rescue kit, we only got 2 left. We're going to probably do pre-orders for the next ones. But right here, you got to remain calm. That's what they're doing. Call 911. Okay, we're in the car. We're safe. We got to watch out for people behind us because that's going to be the next hazard. So we have to look out for hazards. Start putting on your gear. You know, start putting on your stuff. We got inside the rescue kit. We got some gloves. We got everything, tourniquets and all that stuff. But here's the thing. For something like this with a brain injury, there's not much you could do. So on the back side, you're going to actually understand a little bit more. Okay, so we got brain injury, spinal injury, shock symptoms, and then what to do. Basically call 911 for a lot of that stuff. This guy, hopefully, is going to be fine. He spent 1 night in the hospital with a concussion, road burn. He is insanely tough.
Okay.
He's going to have some physical therapy going on. All right, here we go. Almost crashing down from wheelie at speed of 244 kilometers an hour. Luck or skill? It's going to be luck. Gonna be luck. Whoa, not skill. So it looks like he gained some air and landed, and then his shocks and his suspension did this. All right, slow-mo. How long are we gonna do that? There we go. Moving on. She tried to hit me from behind. Okay, let's see what happens. So look behind us. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. So we got a trike behind us. It looks like.
Father Bobber.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look out to the right, Thomas. That car.
So they have a communication system, possibly a Cardo Pack Dog Bowl. Link is in the description. Who knows? All right, so the person in the back is communicating to the person in the front.
Father Bobber.
Father.
Very good. Whoa!
Oh God, look
So
to the right, Thomas.
they did not try to hit the rider. They almost hit the white vehicle and lost control.
Dangerous it's to transport cargo incorrectly.
Okay. Oh, watch out for debris. Watch out for debris. So position yourself for safety, locate it, and you gotta go do. Adapt to it. Slab of plasterboard coming off. Hey, have you guys seen that? Okay, anyways, brutal ZX10R ride. How brutal is the ride? Oh, that was brutal. So practice your slow speed U-turns on the channel Motorcycle Training Concepts, which is our second channel. And links in the description. I teach you how to do U-turns, figure eights, tight turns, all that cool stuff. So let's try that again. Let's see what happens. Hey, you did it. You want to be able to do it within 20 feet. 20 feet. Here we go. David Hall, learner plate. So brand new rider. Okay, watch out for any... this is going to be an orange stage almost. Side of the vehicle. Okay, side of the vehicle. Orange stage. This is an intersection. Watch out for that person. Hey, they saw you. And here's the thing. You actually accelerated a little bit. So good job with that escape path. So once again, make sure you're paying attention. All right, orange stage once again. Look at this. Intersection. You just cut off that driver. I think you did. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the buttons. Let me know in the comments what I missed. But intersections, definitely orange stage. Gotten bitten by a stray dog. Oh. I love dogs, but sometimes they just, you know what I mean? It felt like his teeth, yeah, a lot of pressure on that. So if you have motorcycle boots, more than likely it's not going to do that. But, oh, Maxwrist crash. Hey, remember, we got to watch out for debris in the road. Yep, he wasn't paying attention. So debris in the road, his bike caught fire. He said hi, but guess what? You couldn't do anything. So bad kitty, you did as much as you possibly can. You let them know what was happening. But this is what happens when you follow too close and you don't have your own line of sight in the middle of a turn. So now what do we have to do? Rescue a rider. For the 10th time this year, we got to rescue him. So let's make sure we help him out. Hey, I don't care who you are. I understand max risk. I get it. Max crash, whatever you want to call him. Bike's on fire, California, dry right now. I don't care, though. You rescue him. You take care of him. He's another human.
Are you okay?
He's really helping out the motorcycle industry by buying the 10th BMW S1000RR. They need that sale. Insurance companies are getting, you know, more money. We're getting more training. So, there. Okay, we got water. We got water. Kick dirt on it. So once again, fire needs 4 things. It needs fuel, it needs a heat source, it needs the chemical chain reaction, and it needs oxygen. smother the fire with dirt. Boom, it's out. You don't have carbon dioxide, so you can't disrupt the chemical chain reaction.
Water with the dirt. Water with the dirt.
There you go. Somebody's paying attention. Heat source, obviously, is going to be the fire, so if you can cool it off, like with water, it'll go away.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
And then the fuel source is the bike and the fluid, so you can't get rid of that. So what you need to do is literally bury that crap. There you go.
No, you're pouring the gas on.
Bad kitty, don't do that. You just,
Bring it back.
they put a bunch of dirt on it.
Get away from there! Hurry!
Get out.
So what you could do is dig around that, all the debris, because the bike will catch fire. So dig around the brush. Dig around the brush. So that wasn't a blow up, that was just a flashpoint.
Someone drive back down and get fire department.
So he seems to be walking, so that's good. So his femur seems to be doing better. And we're moving on. All right, car comes right into my lane. Hey, merged over. What do you think the pattern is? Write it in the comments. So I'll just tell you right now, that lane in the far right was slower than ours. He wanted to get in, couldn't see us. Why? I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Since there's not much here to talk about, make sure you guys join by clicking that join button. It's $2 a month to become a YouTube member. You get a nice little mustache when you first join, and you get some cool emotes. All right, Christian72. Whoa, got a little bit of fun there. Oh, that right there. Too much front brake while turning the handlebars. He kept it up though because he was Flintstoning it. Nah, too quick. Slow it down. He might be renting that thing because he does not know what to do. Lightning Scott. Oh, don't tell me he's gonna get hit by lightning. Oh, we got some animals, some deer. Good job being situationally aware. I think this was a smart rider. He was seeking out and recognizing that this was possibly a hazard situation. All right, this looks like a... Okay. Here we go, riding around. Is that a Bell Bullet? Oh, I love Bell Bullets. Oh, loss of traction. We're having loss of traction. Good job with the brakes. Good job not dumping the bike. Go ahead and check your pantalones a little bit. Oh. Brakes. Okay, tight turns on gravel, on street tires is not, it is fun, but it's a little bit difficult. It's not easy. Okay, especially on a hill. Oh, it's gonna be heavy. Not much you can do. I've done it plenty of times. You guys should check out my Sportster Scrambler series back in the day. Hey, it's a Rebel. I thought it was.
For watching to the end, I hope you've enjoyed it.
You are welcome, MotoStars.
Video. Ride safe.
Thank you, MotoStars. Hey guys, if you want to watch this kind of stuff live, make sure you join us Fridays. I don't know what times anymore. Just join. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.